Shift lock is an important camera control feature in Roblox that many players find essential for gameplay. Today, we'll explore what it is, why it matters, and the current limitations on PlayStation consoles. Shift lock is a camera control feature that locks your camera directly behind your character. This creates a more stable viewing angle that follows your character's movement, making it easier to navigate and aim in games that require precise control. Unfortunately, as of 2025, Roblox does not provide a built-in shift lock button that can be directly mapped to any button on the PlayStation 5 or PlayStation 4 controller. This is a significant limitation that affects console players. This limitation exists because Roblox was originally designed for PC, where players have access to a full keyboard, including the Shift key. Console controllers have a limited number of buttons, and Roblox hasn't implemented a dedicated shift lock mapping for PlayStation controllers. The primary workaround for PlayStation users is to access shift lock through the in-game settings menu. While this isn't as convenient as a dedicated button, it does allow console players to enable and use shift lock functionality when needed. To summarize, shift lock is a valuable feature for precise control in Roblox, but PlayStation console players face limitations due to the lack of dedicated button mapping. The in-game settings menu remains the primary method for accessing this functionality on consoles. First, open any Roblox game on your PlayStation console. Make sure you're logged into your Roblox account and have selected a game to play. Next, you need to access the in-game settings menu. This is typically done by pressing the Options button on PS5 or the Share button on PS4, or by looking for a settings icon in the game interface. Look for either Input or Camera settings in the menu. These sections contain the controls and camera options for the game. Select this option to access the detailed settings. Locate the Shift Lock Switch option in the settings. This setting controls whether Shift Lock functionality is available in the game. Toggle this option to On or Enabled to activate the feature. Now that Shift Lock is enabled, you can use it in-game. Press the left analog stick on your controller to activate Shift Lock. This will lock your camera behind your character. Press the left stick again to deactivate Shift Lock and return to normal camera controls. If Shift Lock isn't working as expected, here are some troubleshooting tips. First, ensure your controller is properly connected to your console. Second, verify that the specific Roblox game you're playing supports Shift Lock functionality, as not all games have this feature enabled. Finally, try restarting the game if the setting doesn't seem to take effect immediately.